Look, there's more gray. This shape is the same shape as this. So if I wanted to go all gray, I could, you know? Don't throw away your Kiss Gel nails, y'all. Like, you can make them and save them and make them in different styles. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Audrey. If you are new, today's video is a bit hectic video. So on today's video, I am combining two Kiss Gel nails, Kiss Gel Fantasy, Kiss Gel Voguish Fantasy. So I've already discombobulated them, okay? So one of them had basically looks like this one. Sorry, this one where it's black and it's silver, matte black. And then, sorry, my daughter is in the background. She's watching Coco Melon. All right, once the intro comes on, I mean, after I explain this to y'all, it'll be music. But basically, I took two nails and put them apart. I've already worn each set. So instead of throwing it away, why waste it? So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to do all black matte and then just have that accent ring finger, the gold. Next time, because I think I'm going to do mostly silver. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3 nails that I could do silver. Maybe mix it up some and do like the thumbs or something like that black. I'm gonna mix it up. So instead of throwing away your Kiss Gel nails, I have like several different nails here that where I basically can switch them up. You know, if they're the same shape. They're the same shape, of course. Well, actually, no. People have done it where it's not the same shape. So, yeah, we're going to do a series on mix matching your gel nails and making them worth your buck. I mean, it's already worth your buck. It's only like $8, $9, $10 max on which ones you get. But having multiple sets, you know, that's awesome. Alright, if y'all are interested in seeing what I came up with, how it looks, continue watching. Make sure you like, comment down below if you've done this before, and please, please, please subscribe. Alright? Alright. I love this one better than the skinnier ones because these ones are so much easier to use than these ones here. Like, for some reason, you have to like squeeze it so hard for it to come out. And maybe that's just me. Comment down below if you have the same problem. But this one, so this one's the screw on top, where you just screw it back on. Which I understand how they did that. Okay, got it. But this one is the one where you basically like take it off like that. But I just like this one better. It just comes out, it comes out better. I'm definitely gonna keep this one and try and keep it clean so I can use it for the other nails that I do. So I forgot that I needed to file my nails down. So this one I'm just gonna do this one and then file them so the glue sticks better. I don't know why I was trying to rush for y'all. My bad. Sorry for the sniffles as well.
You wordplay, turns into gunplay, turns into pillow talk, turns into sweet dreams, turn into coffee in the morning. We talk street art and sarcasm, crass humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens the plot thickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill and no shame. Drugs, sex and Polaroids, pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. You wordplay, turns into gunplay, turns into pillow talk, turns into sweet dreams, turn into coffee in the morning, But I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. It's the smell in your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable like this. Old souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sin. Baptism, peach colored skies reveal a sunrise. Until we lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes. Drugs, sex and Polaroids, pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be your baby. These moments, every moment, you wordplay, turns into
Encontrar una señal en el silencio, mirarnos fijamente por
The access glue, I would usually put like some acetone on there, but I forgot to bring it in here, so I'll clean it up after.
quédate, quédate conmigo.
you wordplay, turns into gunplay, turns into pillow talk, turns into sweet dreams, turn into coffee in the morning. We talk street art and sarcasm, crass humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens the plot thickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill and no shame. Drugs, sex and Polaroids, pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. You wordplay, turns into gunplay, turns into pillow talk, turns into sweet dreams, turn into coffee in the morning, But I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. It's the smell in your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable like this. Oh, so souls that found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sin. Baptism. Peace color skies reveal a sunrise. Until we lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Let's drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be alone, baby.
Hey y'all, so again, this is what I made. Out of 2 of the Kiss Gel nail packs. Sorry, my daughter. She wants to make noise, so. But this is 2 gel nail packs, okay? I didn't want to waste them. So I was like, well, let's combine. So, y'all, I have different ones here where I can just combine them that I've used already. So stay tuned for that series. Even the Valentine's Day one, like the ones that say love or the hearts, I can combine them with what? I can combine them with the gray. That'll be cute. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned for these. I'm sorry, she's banging on stuff. Look, I have this. Look, there's more gray. This shape is the same shape as this. So if I wanted to go all gray, I could, you know? Don't throw away your Kiss Gel nails, y'all. Like, you can make them and save them and make them in different styles. So, comment down below if you've done this before. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't waste your money. Look at that. All right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Comment down below. Bye.
Awesome. Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get